Morning YouTube, it's April 12th, 2012, and we have a 6.9 earthquake in the Gulf of California. It struck at a depth of 10 kilometers. The location is 28.790 north and 113.141 west. It is 134 kilometers, 84 miles northeast of Guerrero Negro, Baja California, Mexico. 6.9 Gulf of California, and a 6.2 here as well, Gulf of California, April 12th, and a 4.9 active region here. Thanks YouTube.